Pretty nice day out today. It's about 55 degrees, warm. Supposed to get a little rain this afternoon. Dad's washed his windows. We got those all shiny on the tractor. Finished washing it last night. Cleaning the windows today. Nice and clean in here. Guess I'm gonna get the auger out and set it up and load the truck for tomorrow. Call a couple loads, need some money. And I'm not sure what else we'll get into. Hang out with me and we'll find something to do. So there's the barn cats. There's 2 of them anyway. We got 4 of them out here that hang around. They go in and out of the barn and chase mice and stuff. It's kind of nice. Don't really like having cat feet prints on stuff, but I really like not having mice on everything. So I guess I can deal with some feet prints to not have mice chewing wires, because they are nasty. They chew everything. So you gotta get the tractor out, the auger out, put it up to that bin. Then we'll get the semi out. Actually, I better get the semi out first, huh? Get this out. That way the auger's not in the way to pulling it in and out of here. I remember that from last time I made that mistake. I put the auger up and then couldn't get the truck out. Ain't no air in there. You gotta let the air build up a little bit. So I'll toss my coffee in there for now. I'll probably forget where it's at. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Wasn't strong enough with one arm to get that. There we go. Boom. All right. Looks like we need some fuel in this truck, so when I get it out here, I'll have to pull it around and put some fuel in it. Feels like the back tires on the trailer here are just dragging. Well, they are. Huh. That's weird. There we go. They're not dragging no more. I don't think anyway. Nope. Fuel stop. Let's see, get this running. We'll go get the auger out once this is off to the races. And the pumps are off. And we turned them on. There we go. Much better. We got Dad over there topping off the truck. I'll get the auger out while he's doing that. Let's get some stuff done with the 2 of us here today. tight fit through there. It's here. Spin this over this way, like this. Whew, it's hard work. Got this all set up. That down in there, we'll put the straps on it. Good to go. Phew. Getting warm in this coat already. Take it off. Auger set up. Hopper's on the end. Dad's topping off the truck. It was down almost on empty, so I stretched the hose across there and got to both tanks on it. That was nice. I forget how far this reaches out. It's quite a bit. A little further back still. Maybe a foot or two. That ought to do her there. Alrighty. Getting closer. Get Dad lined up here. smell when corn is going rotten. But the corn's nice and cold coming out of there. It's not wet, it's not hot. Feeling okay about it. I'm sure it was just a little leftover fungus or grossness in there. Yeah, it smells a lot better now, so I guess we got past the bad stuff. Just gonna make sure we unload that bin first, then this bin. Don't want to have it go bad in there, ruin any corn. It's not the year to be throwing bushels away. Already gonna be losing money as it is. And that's that time of year. It's getting warmer out. We're cleaning up the cat area here. Had some straw down for them to keep them warm. And they've busted a bale and made it go everywhere, made a mess. So get this cleaned up, get the tractor out with the loader and scoop that up, take it behind the creek and dump it. Leave the bales there though, probably for another couple weeks, just till it gets a little bit warmer for them. Just trying to get the mess cleaned up. I don't know how this goes up there. I guess like that. That works for me. One bucket, ain't really full. It's gonna take 2 trips anyways, might as well not stress it out and make it in one because it ain't all gonna fit. Well, 1 bucket. It ain't quite full, but it's gonna be 2 trips anyway, so no sense of stuffing her full. Take it out back and dump her behind the creek somewhere. Maybe I'll spread it out in the field, I don't know yet. First load dropped off. Still a little wet out here. The creek's down though. That was up right to the edges the other day. Shouldn't be too wet. We were really dry last year, so I don't expect it to be a real wet spring unless we get a lot of rain here coming. Could use a little bit though, just a little. Little bucket load here. Don't need to get it perfectly clean in there. It's got to be better than it was. Pretty sure when I take out those bales, there'll be another mess to clean up. Just trying to get her tidied up a little. Something to do today. A couple nice days of warm weather get you excited. You want to work and do stuff, but it's just not quite time to be working yet. It's cleaned up a little better. The bale's got to go still. Get the leaf blower out and blow all that and the leaves out of the semi bays there. It'll look much better. Just not be today. It might be today. I'm not gonna say not, because I'll get bored and come back out here and start doing stuff again. That's usually how it works. I'm done for the day and I go inside, sit around. About 5 minutes later, I'm like, back outside. Let's go do something else. I'm not really an inside person. But that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Dad said he was going home for the day. Wife and kids gone. I'm gonna go inside, catch up on some office work, edit some videos. Thanks for watching, guys.